Ever wondered about the fascinating Igbo language, one of Nigeria's most widely spoken tongues? Its rich tones and unique structure make it a captivating linguistic journey. Today, delve into the intriguing world of the Igbo language and the Nigerian states where it reverberates. First stop, Abia State. Located in the southeastern part of Nigeria, the state is predominantly Igbo-speaking. The language thrives here, used in everyday communication, cultural rites, and traditional ceremonies. Neighboring Abia is the state of Anambra. Known for its vibrant commercial activities, Anambra is another home to the Igbo language. Here, the language is not just a means of communication, but a symbol of cultural identity. Enugu State, fondly called the Coal City State, is another hub of the Igbo language. The state's name, Enugu, means hilltop in Igbo. It's a testament to how deeply woven the language is into the fabric of the state. Imo State, with its capital at Owerri, is also a bastion of the Igbo language. The state is known for its rich cultural heritage, which is proudly expressed in Igbo. Ebonyi State, the youngest state in the southeast, completes our list. Despite its relative youth, the state is steeped in Igbo linguistic tradition. So, there you have it. The Igbo language is a vibrant thread in the cultural tapestry of these 5 states: Abia, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, and Ebonyi. Each of these states not only speaks the language, but also cherishes it as a significant part of their cultural identity. In conclusion, the Igbo language, with its rich tones and unique structure, is not just a means of communication. It's a cultural emblem that binds the Igbo people across these 5 states in Nigeria, infusing their daily life with a sense of shared heritage and community. The language continues to thrive, echoing the voices of millions in the bustling markets of Anambra, the hilly landscapes of Enugu, the cultural festivities in Imo, the traditional ceremonies in Abia, and the young but vibrant Ebonyi. The Igbo language indeed tells a story of unity, heritage, and a shared cultural identity.